How to capture botocore's NoSuchKey exception? I'm trying to write good Python and capture a S3 NoSuchKey error with this. But NoSuchKey isn't defined and I can't trace it to the import I need to have it defined. e.class is botocore.errorFactory.NoSuchKey, but from botocore.errorFactory import NoSuchKey gives an error, and from botocore.errorFactory import doesn't work either, and I don't want to capture a generic error.
Using botocore 1.5, it looks like the client handle exposes the exception classes.
In Boto 3, I was able to access the exception in Resources Meta Client.
I think the most elegant way to do this is in Boto 3 is. The documentation on error handling seems sparse, but the following prints the error codes this works for. Less than botocore.errorFactory.c exceptions object at 0 by 105 E08 C50 greater than object has no attribute invalid bucket name. Valid exceptions are, bucket already exists, bucket already owned by you, no such bucket, no such key, no such upload, object already inactive HA error, object node inactive HA error.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribe link.